Why don't people understand the insurance policies they buy? Now imagine this. You have paid the insurance premium for 15 years. One day, one medical emergency hits you and you file a claim expecting a support, but then the message comes, claim rejected. Suddenly, the insurance policy you have trusted feels just like a piece of paper. Now this is what happening, and this is the biggest problem in India, where insurance claims are rejecting and you don't know, because you don't know what insurance policies you are buying. Now this has become the biggest problem in India. The shocking truth is, millions of people are buying this insurance not understanding what they are paying for. So let's get ahead. Most of the people don't buy insurance plans. They buy peace of mind, buy friendly agents visit, and they buy a relative's recommended plan. And big advertisement promises security, and people sign the document trusting their family is fully protected. Here's the problem: many people don't read the insurance policies. They just blindly trust and buy the insurance. And this is not because people are lazy. It is because the insurance policy feels like a foreign language to the common man or to an intelligent person. So terms like waiting period, exclusions, deductibles, surrender value and copay make people glaze over, and that is why people choose trust instead of reading these policies. So the trust without understanding becomes very expensive. Right, now let's get to the reality. Insurance policies not necessarily will hide the information. The information is already there. Problem is that the information there is in 30, 60, even 100 pages of content of legal language, and that's the problem. When buying a smartphone, people watch 10 YouTube reviews. When buying a car, people compare their car for features for at least few weeks. When they are buying the insurance worth lakhs or crores, most of the people do not spend even 30 minutes before signing it and making the decision. That's the problem where it's lying. Now ask me why. It is because the insurance does not provide the instant gratification. It is something, the problem which we don't see now will arrive in future, and right now we are chasing peace. That is why people don't chase what is not there. The problem feels it's all covered in the insurance, when the reality hits, and that's when every clause matters, every exclusion matters, every waiting period matters. Right, now let's get to the wake up call, and here's the information where every insurance policy or every insurance buyer must hear this. Let me get this clear into your mind. Insurance is not a product, it's a contract, and contract has these conditions. Now before you buy any insurance policy, ask these 5 questions. What is not covered? What are the waiting periods? What circumstances the claim get rejected? How much premium do I actually need? Can someone explain this 60, 40, 100 pages of content, legal information, explain me in a simple language? Because the biggest risk is not about buying insurance, it's about not understanding the insurance. And you will become a protected family, because the day you understand the knowledge, it is worth more than crores of insurance what you are trying to protect and buying it for your family. Toughest moments of your family, your knowledge will play a major role. Trust me, people don't become mad buying insurance. They become mad at not understanding the insurance policy fully. Before you sign the extra insurance policy document, please try to spend an hour extra to read and understand the policy, to make your money and time very valuable. And that one extra hour of reading the policy can save you from financial plan confusion and stress, and the claim rejections of which you were expecting will arrive at right time for your family, and you will be protecting your family as a lifeguard. Alright, so now tell me, have you ever bought an insurance policy without fully reading the legal document? If yes, please mention in the comment below how many insurance policies you have done and signed it blindly without reading the 30, 60 or 100 pages of legal document. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, because I am sharing the real life financial lessons for you, and we stay connected and solve this India's biggest problem, that why most of the people do not read the insurance policy before buying it. Alright, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.